shit, the drag left kill. The drag left kill is the shit.
Okay, I'm gonna go stand over there by my phone so we can pick up all the things. I was just playing, but I went through activities earlier and this, and I don't know how to strengthen the energy. I realized that.
Come on, let's go.
I finished this and I can kind of see me sober and maybe a little bit more energy. Okay, but nah. It didn't work out too well. Body's still sore from playing the last day or two. It's just not working out well right now. Still in condition. Oh. Come on, stop playing with your food. Put the ball in play, man. I want to watch some people suffering.
I don't like that food.
You don't like that food? Reggie running intimidation tactics. Hey, it's just really kind of crazy over here.
And you said I can't shoot.
Hell to miss it. I saw
I'll
that
teach
shit.
you one day. Don't worry.
Oh yeah, get him, Sal. He's not playing with you, and he's like, forget your old ass. You know you can't bend. Hold it. He tried to kill him. He tried to snuff him.
Yo, can you keep him over there, please? Thank you.
Check.
Yo, get over there. Didn't tell me. Oh. It was Ricky's birthday. First time into the third day. That's I don't gotta worry about it.
Got him.
Hold it.
Did that ball that was floating in the air on the other court catch your eye? Did that ball catch your eye?
That was your shot.
Yeah. You thought it was coming over? Come on now, let's go. Let's go, Reggie. Show these youngins something. Let's show the people the angle. That's a hell of an angle you just hit out. I said, Reggie, we got you. Come on, y'all. Come on, Saleem, let's go.
Whose side are you on, Phil?
Nobody's. I call this shit the way I see it. Oh, Phil. Under? Oh, you talking about poetry? Yeah. She's good money. I'm catching coming down the block. Can't catch you over here with all the rest of you savages.
Oh, you're middle.
Did he really just kill it in front of you and just make you look at it? Get it. Don't worry about it. Let's go. Get it. Because as long as you know what you're playing like, it doesn't make a difference. Like, come on, toughen up. I know some little girls that are tougher than you. Let's go.
Oh my God!
Yeah, you should be mad. You went way over there to fuck that shot up. No, he was trying to help you out. He was trying to make you look, or making you look bad. Okay, so y'all all practicing fucking up. Okay, I just wanted to make sure this was like a practice session or some shit. Okay, this is the time you all just fuck up and just throw points away and downs away. Okay. Yep, it's practice.
Why'd you tap me? He hit a missing fucking cut.
Yeah, I cut it, but I thought it was going off.
You practicing that shit. Stop it. You said you could do it again. I heard you think that. Like, I can do that shit again. I can almost hit the corner. Fuck, get it out again. Come on, man. Work it out.
It's 8 or 6'9".
Yeah.
That's out.
Marco!
Fucking with me.
Bro, you're the one from the win you last time, bro.
We didn't get to go to Ireland, right?
Ah! We're there.
Heard it rained a lot.
Hey, baby.
Adolf.
Yeah, that was a definitely shot you just hit. Good shot. Good time for that ball to come over here and fucking distract you. Get that. My dude, what's up? Yeah, it's a bit too far. Let's go. Come on, calm that shit down. You don't got that. You ain't me. Backswing. Calm down, Gilligan. He said all right.
I'm not Gilligan.
Yes, you are. Yes, you ain't Marianne. Gilligan shit. I call you Gilligan in a heartbeat. You know how many people named Gilligan according to me? Shit, especially if I don't know your name. Your name is definitely Gilligan. That's been my go-to name for over 30 years.
First over there? Yo, we doing that surf, I got
Hell. Get up there, old guy. Hell. Get up there, old guy.
What you got? Run this nigga for if you ain't gonna move 40 steps.
You gotta sit back and look good. What the fuck is wrong with you? Sure,
Sometimes I just go down for a little bit.
oh, yeah.
I feel like it's all day, so I don't know.
You're Reggie. I'll be honest. That was a weak angle. That was a weak angle for you. But I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go.
Oh shit! Yeah, I'm remember that. Oh shit! Ball slows down.
Good job. Good job.
He's like mad focused on waiting for the ball. You see me up here.
I can say that was a weak angle for you because I know the shit that you can do. I've seen it. I've witnessed it. I've done it. Yeah, I know that was a weak angle. I can honestly say that. He really just hit us with some dumb sleaze shit. I don't like that. Nah, I didn't know that. I didn't know that, but I heard it was abusive.
That helped us so much.
They had an exhibition. Rich Hunter had an exhibition at Wingate. Rich Hunter.
I'm taking my badge.
Oh, please, nigga. That's when you carry me.
No, not Kenny.
Wake up! I thought you was going. Wake!
Wow! The disrespect. Wow! Reggie, don't worry, that's why I fucked him up. We are ready?
So close. Yeah. Well, you're running by me. I didn't know that was going to be good. You're going to run over there, buddy. Ball. The blue one. The blue one, guys.
What do you have? 11, 16.
Jackie didn't want to hit it. Let's go out there and get it. Let's go. Yeah. I thought you was gonna shoot that shit when you were out here. I should have fucking done that. Yeah, Reggie.
What?
How you move?
I don't want you to smack me. Smack me, we're going to fight. Oh my God. Yo, did he really just fuck that shit up like that? No.
Yo, that would have been a
Yeah, we'll take that shit. That's what I'm talking about. Eat that shit up. All right, let's make this a play. Oh, shit. Oh, he threw this shot.
That's a setup. See over there.
That shit was crazy. Let's go.
You was behind there. What the fuck?
5 seconds.
I'm gonna let you know.
Let's go. Yeah, we'll play. Good positioning. That's what you do. Get it around your partner. That shit right there was a pain in the ass. You know how to do that shit. Positioning shot. Motherfucker.
Go with the ball at. Go with. Straight over.
Yeah, so I got it right there.
Couldn't even go for help. That's bullshit. We had a good tight one over here. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, you are. You hold that front of me one.
Once again, it's back. One setup.
We're waiting for that, Marshall.
Where's everybody else? I got it.
Good try, good try. Watch your video.
Show it to Set up.
I don't need that waxer. Where's all the things? Look at that, Saleem. Don't call me. That's like me instant.
7 up.
Make sure that first serve was still over there. 7 up. You're not hitting it, bro. What are you doing?
Baby. That's that. I know.
8-7.
Come on, go with that.
7 up.
Getting all the way back there. Spike! Handball way.
Tyshawn beat Rick, and then Rick and Billy beat Taiwan and girl rep in that car. No, it's over? Rick, so Rick and his girl Lily against Taiwan and I forgot her name. Shanta. All ready? You ready?
You play with, yeah. Yo, Mike. Mike.